Welcome to the slideshow with Dr.TWL episode 2, where we present skin science in bite-sized formats. Today, we will be covering the first fundamental step in skincare routines, which is makeup removal. What are the two main formulation options for makeup removers? The first is a micellar formulation. The second, an oil-based cleanser or an emulsion, sometimes also known as a milk cleanser. I will go through the pros and cons of each, but first, let us define some terms. What is micellar water and how does it work? Micellar water works by hydrophobic, which essentially refers to water-hating, and hydrophilic, that is, water-loving properties of a micelle. The makeup residue is attracted to the water-hating aspect, and this is best thought of as a ball that is wrapped up, which continues to roll on skin, thus grabbing the residual pigment and dirt. To remove the ball, which is a micelle, you use a cotton pad. Friction or rubbing is thus inevitable, and this can be harsh for sensitive skin. What is the downside, though, to oil cleansers? Well, pure oil cleansers are often too greasy, so my choice is an emulsion or a milk cleanser. Milk cleansers are oil in water formulations. The oil component dissolves makeup pigments and also removes excess sebum. The idea of like for like, which is also the key principle here, is that oil-soluble pigments are dissolved in a similar substance, that is, an oil in water emulsion. What is the difference between emulsion versus oil cleansers? The benefits of an emulsion are that it is less greasy than pure oil formulations. It is also effective as a humectant if formulated with moisturizing actives. When you physically rub off makeup on a cotton pad, the oil component protects the skin. It also, in this way, acts as a barrier between the cotton pad and skin, hence reducing friction, unlike the case with micellar solutions.